I'm going to take you through the process of how I make my Ninja Creamies, so keep watching. And at the end, my kids and I will try all three, letting you know which one is our favorite. Labeling your creamies will ensure you know what flavors you have and what you're about to eat. So I'm here with Cody.
Hello.
And Miss Maddy.
Hey.
And we're going to try our Ninja Creamies. We have a vanilla, we have a Chips Ahoy, and we have a cookies and cream. So we're going to taste them. We're going to decide which one we like the best. All of these are between 250 calories to 300 calories for one whole pint, which isn't bad. And they all have between, I want to say, 15 to 20 grams of protein, which is what we want. We want more protein, right? All right, ready, guys? Let's dig into vanilla. Cody says he doesn't like it.
No, it's not bad. It tastes like vanilla soft serve.
Does it?
A little bit.
It's a little salty to me. Would you eat it, Maddy? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I don't know. This one was a protein powder. I'm not feeling it. Alright, you guys ready to try Chips Ahoy? Let's try this one. Let's see if we like this one better. It's sweeter.
It's not bad. It's good. I like it.
It's not as salty as the other one. Yeah, I'd eat that one over the vanilla. You know when they're digging for more, it must be good. All right, last one to try. What is it, Maddy?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. All right, let's try. Ready? Go.
Cookies and cream?
I think I like the Chips Ahoy the better one.
Chips Ahoy is sweeter. That's more chocolatey. And that's just salty.
I like
a little salty. It's not too
Ahoy.
salty, it's just a little bit.
I mean, they don't taste bad.
No. For how much calories?
But I think I would eat the Chips Ahoy more.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Chips Ahoy. The cookies and cream was a keto cookies and cream. Maybe if we had used a different cookies and cream, it might have been better.
Mm-hmm.
And the vanilla was a vanilla protein. It's supposed to be a vanilla protein ice cream. But it's really salty. Now your taste buds are all gonna change. Chips Ahoy. Obviously, you could add mix-ins if you wanted to. We didn't add any.
Mm-hmm.
We just spun them on a light ice cream and did a respin, and they came out looking creamy.
Vanilla's not too bad.
Looking creamy. All right, until I make a new one. Thanks for watching. Say it.
Like and subscribe.
Thanks. Bye.
Peace.